Irrespective of the COVID situation in your market and its impact on your industry and business, I highly recommend that you put together a team to look into the future and prepare for the new normal and even beyond. This team specifically has to do three steps. The first one, they need to develop scenarios for multiple version of your company's future in the new normal. And the second thing they need to do is to set strategies and tactics for each of these scenarios. And the third thing they need to do is to identify trigger points to enact these strategies and tactics. Now you might be wondering what type of scenarios they need to think of. Few scenarios for your consideration or to get you started. A scenario could be governments might nationalize or even privatize certain sectors or companies with the aim of covering their sudden huge budget deficit. And this will have direct impact in the case of nationalization and even potential game changers in the case of privatization. Another scenario could be that governments might impose price policies to suppress inflation, and this will have definitely a direct impact on your profitability and product slash service portfolio. Another scenario could be that the virus might mutate and come in a different form, definitely creating further disruptions, further lockdowns, as we have seen recently. The vaccine might take longer to develop and get approved. Basically, you will have to think about an extended bridge from the current situation to a new normal. Last scenario that I can share with you is companies might be on the verge of bankruptcy, and we have seen it and we read about it. So, or even some companies would be drastically undervalued. So this creates mergers and acquisition opportunities for your company. So, to recap, companies must plan for the worst and hope for the best. And the recommendation is to follow the three steps that I mentioned. The first one is develop these scenarios. Second, set strategies and tactics for each of the scenarios that they spotted. And the third one is to identify trigger points to enact the set strategies and tactics. That's it. Thank you very much.